Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are well and fine. My dear students, in this class, we are going to learn something different. Okay? You must be happy sometimes, you must be sad sometimes, and sometimes you loudly love, and sometimes you also cry. Isn't it correct? My dear students, when somebody beats you or tells something hurt to you, then you feel that it is something which brings tears in your eyes. Okay? So, need not to worry, whenever you are crying, just cry thereafter. Weep your tears and be happy. Every time you feel happy and sad, you must be balanced. Okay? जब भी आपको खुश होना है या दुखी रहनी है, उस समय एक चीज़ आपको ज़रूर ध्यान देना है कि धैर्य के साथ वो परिस्थिति को सामना करनी है ना। चलिए ये सुंदर सा पोएम को हम लोग आज रिसाइट करेंगे। Crying only a little but bit is no use. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, splash, splash. So let's recite it with the rhythmic style. Crying only a little bit is no use. You must cry until your pillow is soaked. Then you can jump in the shower. Then you can jump in the shower and splash, 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 and splash, splash, splash. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. Then you can throw open your window and ha 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 ha. And if people say, hey, what is going on up there? Hey, what is going on up there? Ha ha, sing back, ha ha, sing back. Happiness was hiding in the last year. Happiness was hiding in the last year. I wept it, ha ha ha, ha ha ha. I wept it, ha ha. So, this little poem is written by Gelweg Kennel, who is a foreign poet, but still it's very interesting poem. I request every student to recite the same poem twice, write down the poem in their copy and draw beautiful pictures of crying and while taking the shower bath. Okay, these two pictures must be drawn in one page. In the first half of the page, you should draw the picture of a boy who is crying, and in the next half, you should draw the picture of a shower and water coming from shower and taking bath. That is all about today's class. So be happy. Have a nice day.